Welcome to the Inted 2025 conference in Valencia. I am Dr. Danielle Morin and my colleague Amir Ossenipour. We are from Concordia University in Montreal, Canada. We regret not being with you in person to present our research, but thanks to the technology, we are going to present our paper virtually. The title is The Unseen Force in Education: How Generative AI is Reshaping Learning in Postgraduate Program. In this presentation, we will show how students are reacting to this artificial intelligence tool that can be used in the classroom. We know that the integration of AI tools like ChatGPT and Grammarly, their integration has rapidly expanded in university education. These tools support students in completing assignments, conducting research, and generating ideas. AI technology can improve personalized learning experiences and make education more accessible. AI technology also raises important questions about academic integrity and the development of critical thinking. Therefore, educators are rethinking assessment methods to ensure fairness and rigor in the age of AI. This study examined how impact of AI on student learning can be identified. And we look at the role of educators in shaping its use. Data was collected from a core MBA course at a Canadian university in the fall 2024. In this course, AI tools were not formally integrated and therefore provide insights into students' independent usage. A survey conducted at the end of the semester included 3 sections: demographics, perception of learning tools, and AI usage pattern. This research also focused on higher order thinking skills acquisitions. Those skills are research, problem solving, creativity, and critical thinking. 97% of the students participated in this online survey, where 50% of respondents were male and 43% were female. 54% of the respondents were between 25 and 30 years of age. 34% were between 30 and 35, and 12% over 35 years of age. This represents the distribution of many MBA program students' age. When asked about their Excel proficiency, 83% responded that their skills could be considered moderate to advanced, while 17% of them responded that their skills is at the minimum. Table 1 presents the perceived contribution of activities and resources toward our higher order thinking skills. A rating from 1, which is not at all, to 3, a lot, was used. The activities proposed in the course are the assignments, exams, and a term project. The resources offered in the course are the very extensive PowerPoint notes by the instructor, YouTube videos on how to use the different methodology, and the end of chapter problems, including solution. In the activities, we see that the project is the most useful at developing these higher order thinking skills, except for problem solving, where the assignment score better. In terms of resources, we see that the PowerPoint notes, because they are very extensive and available to students, help develop all four skills better than the other one. And in between, we have artificial intelligence tools, which could be considered as a resource because it can be used to search and to provide answers, but it is also an activity where students have to actively search for answers. We see that the artificial intelligence tools that we have score better for research acquisition skills more than all the resources. And many of the activities, assignments, and projects, but will score better than AI. We see for problem solving, AI tools scored the lowest. Creativity, in the case of AI, is better developed than all the resources and most of the activities except the project. What is worrisome is in terms of critical thinking, artificial intelligence scores the lowest, which should be a source of concern. From this table, we see that AI tools contribute more to research than to the other skills. In many programs, designers of courses are very concerned about the development of critical thinking, which could be used in many other aspects in business and maybe in life in general. When we ask respondents the overall frequency of their usage of artificial tools, we see that 25% use AI tools daily, 40% weekly, 16% monthly, 19% rarely, and a 9% said they never used it. And the tools that they are most likely using is ChatGPT. Of those who use AI tools, ChatGPT was the number one and basically used by all students, followed by Grammarly, 19%, and Gemini, 13%. How was AI used? Well, it was used mainly for research paper, for proofreading, and for essay writing. Of course, for languages, for some data analysis, and for some coding. But we see that mainly it's for research paper, proofreading, and essay writing. The motivation for using those AI tools were mainly to improve the quality of the work, 41%. Some students said it was to get ideas for starting their assignments. 16% said it was to save time. And others will say it's to verify answers and other consideration. But even though most students use AI tools, there are some concern and some challenges. Of course, if I look at the positive side, it gets me answers, it can clarify topics, and it gives guidance. But there is, on the negative side, the lack of reliability. It's difficult to evaluate some ethical concern, maybe limited understanding and the need for guidance. 41% of students responded that they are concerned about the information generated that could be inaccurate or unreliable. 31% have ethical concerns about the originality of the work. 16% look at the lack of transparency in AI-generated solution. But how are students actually using AI-generated results in their work? 62% of them, will say that they will only use it for ideas and write the work in their own words. 32% said that they will use the AI-generated response by rephrasing them or editing them. Only 6% admitted using the AI-generated response as they are. And another 6% look at their responses and compare it to what they have solved and what's the professor answer. Most students believe that the AI tools has impacted the quality of their project. If that was not the case, they would not use it. Well, 41% believe that the tools have significantly improved the quality of their work. 53% believe it has somehow improved quality. And there is a 6% that said it did not affect the quality. But I would say since 94%, will have the belief that it's improving the quality of what they do. So in conclusion, those are the major key findings. AI tools, particularly ChatGPT, are widely adopted with 91% of students. 25% of students use AI tools daily and 40% use them weekly. So this is very generalized use of AI tools. Common application, including drafting, research papers, proofreading, essay writing, and language learning are very popular. Student primary motivations are to improve their work quality, generate idea, and save time. And 94% of users indicated that AI tools substantially improve the quality of their academic submissions. But there remains some concerns and challenges. There's very strong concerns about reliability and accuracy of AI-generated content. This remains very significant. There is the ethical dilemma arising from incorporating machine-generated text into original work. Many students attempt to preserve academic integrity by paraphrasing or rewriting AI outputs. The growing reliance on AI tools raises questions about their impact on critical thinking and creativity. And this research has shown that it is not the best tool to develop critical thinking. And universities face challenges in defining acceptable AI usage while maintaining academic rigor. As recommendation and future directions, we recommend that universities develop ethical and pedagogical frameworks for AI integration in academia. Maybe incorporating AI literacy into curricula could help students critically engage with AI tools. And also, future research should investigate how AI affects higher order thinking skills, such as problem solving and creativity. Institutions must balance the transformative benefit of AI with the need to safeguard academic originality and rigor. Proactive strategies are essential to ensure AI tools coexist with genuine human cognition in academic setting. Now, we hope this presentation has shed some light on some of the issues where the artificial intelligence tools are used entirely by students. They are not part of the course. So therefore, the technology is there to stay, and we have to find a way to generate out of this the development of higher thinking skills, and especially problem solving, critical thinking, research, and creativity. Thank you for being with us today, and we hope you enjoy this presentation. Thank you.